Hello friends, this is our fourth lecture. Fourth lecture on Indo-European languages, and you can see on the board two strange words, Saddam and Kendu. Now we saw that the Indo-European two broad divisions are Western and Eastern, isn't it? And from there, you know, you have got four other branches of Eastern. That is, you remember that, no? That is Indo-Iranian, then Armenian, and Albanian, Balto-Slavic. So, and here you have got a Celtic, then you have Italic, Hellenic, and the Germanic. Okay. Now this Eastern branch, instead of Eastern, this branch is known as Southern branch. And the Western branch, instead of that, is also known as Kendum branch. So in the examination you will get a question like this. Why is Saddam Eastern called Saddam? Why is Western called Kendum? Very simple. The reason is pronunciation. Pronunciation of a sound. In the Indo-European. Sound in the Indo-European. Is there anybody who had any idea or heard this Indo-European speaking? No idea. Nobody heard this. But what we do, we are reconstructing this. That's what we are doing, not reconstructing and finding out. Then the philologists, they found that there is a word in the Eastern, in the Western, and the Indo-European. The meaning of that word is 100. This is the meaning. See that? For example, you have word "sau" in Hindi. What is the meaning? 100. In Tamil, in Malayalam, we have got a word meaning 100. Noor. So Noor means 100. Sau means 100. And then Indo-European also, they had a word which with the meaning 100. What is that word? You know? You don't know. Do I know? I don't know. Then how do I know? Because scholars, they have made researches and they have found out. And that word is, you can see now, they say this is the word. The small h sound here. So small h sound. Not clear? Okay, I will write the words again. See that? And that is like this. This is the word that they say. How do you pronounce this Indo-European word? We don't know. But from present day phonology, we know it is pronounced like milk, that ka sound. That's called a guttural sound. This sound. Guttural sound. So the first sound of the Indo-European word meaning 100 is a guttural sound. Milk, listen. We don't say mega. The difference between ka and gha in Hindi you can see. Ka. We can say like this, no? Calm karo. You can say. But in this, calm karo. If you use a guttural sound. If it is a plain sound, then it is काम करो. आप अपना काम करो. Then Here if he said, Aap apna kaam karo. You got the point. So the word meaning 100 in Indoeuropean, and that is come tom. Now this is how the philologists describe this, come tom. Now when this sound, in Eastern branch also you have the word meaning 100. Eastern branch it is Southern. And now this Southern, from where did you get this Southern? From Indo-Iranian. That is Sanskrit word. SKT means Sanskrit. So in Sanskrit, the word meaning 100 is Southern. Right? In Italic, that is Latin, a branch of Italic, Latin. In Latin, it is Kendum. Kentum. Kentum. Today's spelling is Centum. But in Latin it is pronounced K. K. Understand? So what has happened is, shall I clear this? Yes. I think you are following me now. Therefore I can clear this. What has happened is, now we will see Indo-European. The Indo-European sound, that is this one, K. What happened to that? It changed. When this sound was taken and used by the Eastern branch, in the Eastern branch, it became S. What is S? An alveolar fricative or sibilant. Alveolar fricative. Or some people say sibilant. Because it has that sound. Alveolar fricative. So you have, how do you know this? Because the word meaning 100 is in Sanskrit. How does it begin? It begins like this, Sadam. So Sanskrit is the representative of all the Eastern branches. Sanskrit is the representative of all the Eastern branches, and therefore, who made Sanskrit representative? Scholars. They made it. Therefore, the Eastern branches are known as Southern branches. Why? The Indo-European guttural sound, K, changed its pronunciation when it was taken and used by those people who spoke Eastern branches of the Indo-European. And one such Eastern branch is Sanskrit. Sanskrit is a very prominent branch. Therefore, we take the example from Sanskrit and generalize. We say this is the case with all the 4 branches of the Eastern. So we call this Southern branch. Southern means word meaning 100. Southern is a word meaning 100 in Sanskrit. Now when you come to Western branch, same thing. Western branch it is Kentum. Kentum means 100. Here it is Compton. That is it. So the change is like this. Here it is S and here it is K. Written C, but it is pronounced K. So here what happens, it became a plain sound in this case. Here there is a big change. What is that? From a guttural to an alveolar fricative sound. Or a sibilant. Voiceless. This is also voiceless. This one. So this is voiceless. And then here, Kentum. You can write it in this way also. Here for clear understanding, Kentum. Here what happened? It lost that color and became a plain plosive. What plosive? Velar plosive. Velar plosive. K. Plain sound. See, how do we know this? That it became, because Latin 100 means the word for 100 is kendu. So what is the determining factor to call eastern branches Sadam and western branches Kendum? Pronunciation. What is this difference in pronunciation? Indo-European guttural sound became alveolar fricative in the eastern. Example, Sadam. Because in all the three you will find the meaning is same, but words different. Difference you find only in the initial or the first sound. In eastern branch, the first sound is S. So instead of k, you have got a S in eastern with the word Sadam as an example. Here instead of k, you have got K in western. The word taken as example is Kendum, meaning 100. So here is 100, here is 100, here is 100. Word is the same, but the first sound changed. The first sound, the original Indo-European K became S in eastern, example Sadam. The original Indo-European K became K in the western, example Latin Kendu. Same word, difference in pronunciation. And so if you answer the question, you can say, you can show this now. This is Indo-European, i.e. this is Eastern, this is Western. Example here is Sadam. Here it is Kendum, or C. Or if it is, you want to be clear, then keep it K. It's okay. The first form was K, only later changes happen like this. And then this one, of course, is you have got this is Indo-European word. Indo-European word, Eastern branch word, Western branch word. The changes happen to this consonant. This consonant changed in Eastern, this consonant changed in Western. And Eastern became S, so it is Sadam. And K, it is Kendum. Therefore, you got Sadam, Eastern is Sadam language and Western is Kendum language. Simple, but you can say it is the pronunciation, difference in pronunciation of the word 100. The difference in, if you ask a question, why is it Sadam, why it is Kendum? You can say the difference in pronunciation that took place in the Indo-European word Kendum or the sound K. In the Eastern it has become S and the Western it has become K. Example Sadam and Kendum. In a very simple way you can explain this. But if you further you want to show your scholarship and all those things, you can do that. Is that clear? Okay, it is clear to you. If you got any doubt, see the point again I am repeating is this, that the difference in pronunciation is the cause of calling Eastern branches Sadam. The difference in the pronunciation of the word meaning 100, the difference in the pronunciation of the initial sound of the word meaning 100. That's the thing. The difference in the pronunciation of the initial sound of the word meaning 100 in Indo-European. In Eastern it became S, in Western it became K. The Eastern example is Sadam, Western example is Kendum. So the Eastern branches, they are given a cover name, a label to cover all the four branches. Sadam branch, the other is Kendum branch. It's very interesting and very simple. I think that you have followed me I am very happy that if you have followed. If you have not followed, definitely you can ask me to explain this once again. So till then, till you ask me to explain once again, bye, have a nice day.